Hi, I'm Julia Mendiolea. We are at Rockmount, family-owned since 1946, and we're about to hear some loud, straightforward American music from the Yawpers. Let's check it out. Oh, okay.
All right.
Let's get crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa. What do you like about Denver that is specific to Denver and Denver only?
I'm inspired in some ways by just people.
That's it.
No, we love the city.
What are some of your favorite venues to go to? Not to play, but to just like go see a show.
Red Rocks is awesome. High Dive is great to see shows at. I could just flip you off.
I hope so.
That'd be great.
It's my snakeskin shirt.
Yeah.
He's jealous.
Yeah,
he can get over it. You guys are super tight as a band, and I can tell that you put a lot of hard work into what you do and remain having like a really good time. At least that's how it comes across.
Yeah, no, it's all fueled by self-hatred. So whatever you see as having a good time on stage is really thinly veiled self-contempt. Yeah.
Did you know that the guy that owns the store invented the snap button?
Yeah.
You can't love her, she don't stay. A woman like that, there's a price to pay. She gave you a life, take it away. You can't love her, she don't stay. She walks in, you make room. You're never really ready, but that's what you gotta do. I'll be over for too soon. She walks in and you make room. No silver-tongued man can inherit the earth. I be did it, no, no, no. But did it, lover? Tell me, mama, give me life. I love you, baby, but I'm doing it right. Every man needs something to be, and if he does it blindly, he's nothing to see. Man, the meanest, hardest struggle is doing it right. Come on, buddy. Oh, doing it right. Whoa. Yeah, you were spending all your time just pressing your luck. Oh, you're gonna lose a brother and your luck went enough. It's fit to the bottom, put away up for God's sake, I tell you love. Wow, sex is a line, and it comes and it goes. Another baby, I'm in love with you. Come on, mama, tell me like, yeah. Love you, baby, but I'm doing it right. Well, every man needs something to be, and if he does it blind, he's nothing to see, man. It's body struggle, doing it right. Oh, doing it right. Let me tell you something, man, it's not out there. There's no fires left burning, absence of air. Suffer in the world, no one to care. Let me tell you something, man, it's not out there. If you never wake up, then it isn't a dream. This ain't a diamond and it isn't a grace. Call me, baby, tell me lies. I love you, mama, but I'm doing it right. Every man needs something to be, and if he does it blindly, he's nothing to see, man. Come on, baby, seven. Wow, man, doing it right. Oh, yeah, I'm doing it right. Somebody fucking put a gun in me.
What are your favorite bands in town?
Obviously, in the Whale is the Bee's Knees and the Witches. I love Eldren. I'm really a big fan of Dragondeer. And yeah, there's some other ones like Calder's Revolvers is pretty f***ing cool. And check out.
Yeah, what are they like?
Rock and roll. Yeah, I mean, like, there's some cool. Oh yeah, great thing.
Oh, you did where?
Evan Boulder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then, you know, if you're feeling a little homoerotic, Rowdy Shadehouse is a good time.
There you are.
Yeah, so there's all kinds of good bands around here, for sure.